Welcome to the other video of ratios and fractions difference. Now, before I proceed, let's understand fraction a bit. Since these two are closely related, let me explain you the fraction part also, and then we will right away jump onto ratios, and together your understanding will be cleared. Now, in continuing this pizza example, if I ask you to give me 2 by 4th part of pizza. Imagine you have 4 parts already, a pizza cut into 4 parts. Now if I asks you to give me 2 by 4 parts of pizza, what and how many slices would that be? So focus on each word. Your question has the answer. How? 2 by 4, write like this. Part, don't pay attention to this part because this part belongs to 2 by 4 parts. This is done. I have written 2 by 4 parts like this. Of. Of is called as and written as multiply in maths. So whatever and whenever you will see of written of something, that would mean 2 by 4 of whole pizza. And how many pizza slices were there? 4 of pizza. When I say of pizza, I am here considering whole pizza, right? Because I did not say here just find 2 by 4th part of half pizza or 3 by 4 pizza or 4 by 4 pizza like this. I am clearly saying of pizza. When fraction or anything else is not present or given, I will take it as whole. This is whole pizza, and in my whole pizza I had 4 slices, so I have written 4 slices here. Why I have written 4? Because this is also a slice. I can't write two different units in the same line, right? Right? Slices and whole are two different units. This is why I did not write like this. Otherwise, it would mean like 2 by 4 of 1. I mean, 1 is whole and 2 by 4 represents slices. Two different units and matrix can't be written together. You you can write, but you'll have to change it to its lowest form. This is why I have changed my whole pizza, which is 1, to 4 slices. Now I have slices, which is 2 by 4 multiply with slices only, which is correct. Multiply with 4 slices from whole pizza. This is why it can be considered a right way of writing this question. Now let's simplify. 2 by 4 parts of whole pizza is 4 cancels each other. I am left with 2. What is 2? We were solving questions using slices. So 2 is a slice. So 2 by 4th, when I asked you to give me 2 by 4th of the whole pizza, to give, I meant you to give me, please give me 2 slices. So you may give me this one or let's say this one. This is what 2 by 4th of pizza mean. But why did I explain you fraction here? Because this part was important to understand. Whenever a fraction you see here, this is a line. This is why I'm calling it a fraction, not a ratio. Whenever you have a fraction present and someone asks you to find of something, of whole, this is what we do, right? Multiply with whole and you will get the whole number or the answer. Correct? So in short, I meant to explain you The fraction, how easy is it? How easy, what I'm saying, how easy it is for us to find a fraction of whole. It's just a straight multiplication. Now, if fraction is easy for you, now we can come back to our ratios, which was 1 ratio 1 colon 3 here. Now, since fraction is easy, was easy for us to understand, if somehow I can change my ratio into fraction, wouldn't that be easy for us to solve the ratio problem? Isn't it? Just fraction. And why they are two fractions, fraction 1 and fraction 2, why I have my flow goes like this, a line coming out of this ratio block and turning into fraction 1 and fraction 2. Well, we will see more on this in the next video. Please join. Thank you.